What is up guys, it is Tool Guy Y here, and today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Kimo 3/8 inch extended cordless ratchet. Let's get into it. Alright, let's open her up. First thing out of the box, there is a tool bag that holds everything in this kit together. Right now, here's a quick little look around of this bag. I will go more into detail about this bag later on in the video. So with the bag open, we're going to remove the bare tool. And like I said before, the bare tool is a 3/8 inch extended cordless electric ratchet. Next, we're going to have a charger. Having a physical charger and not just a charging cable that goes into the battery was a big selling point for me when buying this tool. The reason being is that a lot of charging cables look the same and they get mixed up, and then you tend to lose your charging cable and you won't be able to charge your battery. Having a physical charger just alleviates that whole mess. Next in the kit, there's two 12-volt 2 amp hour batteries separately packaged. Coming out of the bag next is a bag of little sockets. Socket sizes range from 10mm to 17mm, and it does come with a 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter. And lastly is the instruction manual. Looking at this charger, it's very simple. It's just plug and play. You stick the battery inside. There is a red light for not done and a green light for done. And it does come with a pretty decently long cable. The one thing that I did notice is the battery is pretty tight when going into the charger, meaning that if over time the batteries do swell up, that may become an issue. So the tool bag itself is pretty sweet, and it does make itself a nice tool bag. I for one will not be using this bag because I will be using this tool at work where I will put everything in a drawer. However, this bag is pretty nice. It has two pockets. You can put your sockets in there, you can put your charger or your batteries, and the bottom is all padded. Although the padding is somewhat thin, the whole bottom is covered and the sides up to the halfway point. So whatever it is you're going to be using this bag for, whether it's for the electric ratchet or other tools or maybe just your lunch, just know that it is somewhat protected. I'm sure a lot of you guys have been waiting for this, but let's finally dig into the ratchet. First off, the body itself feels pretty sturdy. However, I did find a issue between the body and the neck, which I'm going to pull you to the side right now to show you guys what's going on. The one thing that I did notice out of the box is that the head to the body has a lot of play. As you can see in this clip, it does wiggle a lot. But to get rid of the play, it was a quick, simple, easy fix. All I had to do was grab a Phillips screwdriver and tighten down the 4 Phillips screws. Now that's fixed, back to the ratchet. The ratchet does have a locking mechanism. This locking mechanism is great for preventing accidental startups when not in use, which may kill your battery. Onto the head. So this is considered an extended ratchet. And in the specs, Kimo does claim that this extends up to 3.93 inches. However, I believe it's more like 2, because the extension size is measuring only the neck and not from the bottom of the neck to the top of the head. Let's pop that battery in and see how it operates. First thing I noticed at startup was that there was a battery indicator on the side and a LED spotlight in the front. This ratchet supposedly spins at 400 RPMs, which we'll put to the test later on, but for now, it does feel very crisp. Other than that, that's pretty much all I have on the unboxing of this tool. However, like I said before, I will make another video where I will put the RPMs to the test. I do have a tachometer, and I will see if it spins at 400 RPMs. I will also put their quote-unquote fast charger, 60 minutes full battery charger to the test. And using a torque wrench, I will try to confirm that their 40 foot-pound torque is true. I am a full-time mechanic, so I will be using this tool every day for all the jobs I have, such as this one right here. By doing this, I can see how long the batteries last, the tool will last, and maybe in 4 to 5 months, I will post up a following video to see how and show you guys how the tool is holding up. So, if you guys are interested in any of this, please hit that like button, that sub button, and that notification button so that you can be notified when these videos do go up. If you liked or found this video informative, please support me by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Also, check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots!